Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Trello board ID. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com. If you don't have an account, as example, or if it's your first time you'll be taken to this page, you can click on login at the top right corner, or if you have an account, and if you don't, click on get Trello for free to create an account. You can use, of course, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Slack, if you don't have, if you have one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself in a place like this. And as we said before, how to get the board ID. So as an example, for me here, if I go to this list panel in this workspace, of course, I'll just click on boards and I'll have here multiple boards. As an example, I'm just going to access a random board right here. And now we want the ID of this board. So there's, of course, stuff. There's like the source ID and log ID. So the source ID of your board, you should find it here, as you can see. Before the name of the board, because, for example, the name of my board is Apex, and before it, as you can see, you'll find the ID of your board. This is basically the short ID of your board. Now, if you want the long form as an example of it, all you need to do is an example. All is just go. If you go here to the top right corner, click on the three dots, you should find yourself here. Once you click on the three dots, this will open a menu. You can go simply to print and export and share. And as you can see, you want to export as JSON. So as you can see, exporting. All you need to do now is just once you have this file, of course, save it wherever you want. Go and type like whatever you want, JSON viewer. Sorry, you can click on the first one and enter the code, of course, of your JSON here. You can simply just go and get it from here, like the file that you just downloaded. For me, as example, I'll just open it with Visual Studio and I'm just going to copy everything and paste this here. And as you can see, this is going to be your JSON example. So all you need to do now is go here to the viewer and you will find the ID right here. Of course, you can use any other tool, online tool like this one as example. You can find or enter that here and then he will give you like an example here, the ID again, if you want to copy it. And yeah, you should be then good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.